guys, welcome to Craft Genius. If you are a new visitor, do subscribe. If you are already subscribed, click bell icon to get instant notification of my new videos. Okay, today I am going to show you how to make a dye fancy dress for your kids. Not only kids, meant for girls. Okay, let's start.
Dress is ready to wear now. I tried this for my daughter fancy dress competition conducted by school. Okay guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. And one more thing, I am waiting for your valuable comments too. We went for a small suit for her competition. I am attaching it too. Okay, see you guys. See you all with another video.